Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Khalid and welcome to my channel Math Madness by Aisha Khalid. So today we are going to discuss how to plot coordinates on the axes and how to read the coordinates from the axes. So first thing that you need to understand is that the vertical axis is called my y-axis. So this is my y-axis. A horizontal axis is called my x-axis. This point, the intersection, is called origin. Origin means 0 of the x and 0 of the y. How do you write coordinates? A coordinate means the value of x and the value of corresponding value of y on that x. So this is my positive x-axis and the left hand side is negative x-axis. This is my positive y-axis and the downward side is my negative y-axis. Let's do plotting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Since it's a 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So these are the coordinates I've labeled them. Now let's suppose this is the point A. How do you tell that where does the point lie? Point A lies. So we need to write, how do we write the coordinate? The value of x first and the value of y first. So we go down and see what is the value of x. The value of x is 2. What is the value of y? The value of y is 4. Let's do another example. So let's suppose this is my coordinate B. Let's take the coordinates of B. The x coordinate of B is a minus 4. And the y coordinate of B is a minus 2. Plot the point C minus 1 comma 0 on the axes. So this is minus 1, the value of x, and there is no value of y. It means the point is on the x-axis. It doesn't move up and down. Now let's do some more plotting. Plot the point 7 comma minus 3. So 7 on the x-axis. So 7 on the horizontal axis is here. And we go 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. So this is my point D 7 comma minus 3. So this is how we use the coordinate axes to plot the points and to read the points. And coordinates are used in a lot of different topics. Let's do a couple of questions. We are following book 2 now, Think Maths. Book 2, this is the first chapter. Plot each set of the given points on the Cartesian plane below and join them in order with straight lines and identify each geometrical shape. Alright, very interesting question. Let's draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how I'm labeling? I'm using the blue lines to label. Now, I'll start with E part. So the first point is a 5, comma 2. 5 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. Minus 1, comma 3. Minus 1, 1, 2 and 3. Then we have a minus 1 and then a minus 3. Let's go down. Minus 1 on the x-axis and y-axis where it's a minus 3. 5 and a minus 2 comes here. Let's join them with straight lines. One. You can clearly see that these two lines are parallel to each other because they are vertical. So this shape is a trapezium. Alright. Now let's do one more, which is 1 comma 0. I'm doing the plotting on the same diagram. 1 comma 0. 1 on the x-axis, nothing up and down. No left right, just up movement of 3. Then we have a minus 1 comma 4. Then we have a minus 5 comma 2. Okay, let's join them. Okay, so this is a minus 5 comma minus 2. Minus 5 comma minus 2 is here. So this is like no particular shape. So we can say it's a general quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. Let's do another one on the same diagram. 0 comma 0 is the origin. 0 comma 3 is this point. And minus 1 comma minus, okay, 0 0 and then 0 comma 4 is this point. 4 comma 2 is this point. Let's join them with the straight line. So this is I can say it's an isosceles triangle. I would want you to plot the A and B yourself. So you can draw them on the graph and see what kind of shapes they come out to be. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, you can drop down in the comments below. Take care. Stay tuned to my next video because I'll be discussing the topic in much more detail. In this particular video, we've only discussed how to plot the coordinates on the graph and from the graph how to read the coordinates. And we've done a couple of practice questions associated with it. Allah Hafiz.